Hey everybody, are you ready for how to use strawberry basil olive oil and dark bourbon balsamic vinegar? Here we go. Let's get to it. Great recipe today on this. This is a ice cream video and perfect for spring and summer and to serve to your guests. If you want just a little something special and over the top. So here we go. All right, this video starts out with strawberry ice cream. This doesn't take a whole lot. And we have fresh strawberries to go in that. How great is that? We're gonna add a few walnuts. Why not? And some fresh basil. Now, if you haven't had olive oil and balsamic vinegar on ice cream, boy, are you missing out. We will add to that now our strawberry basil olive oil, just a little drizzle on that. And a little bit of our dark bourbon balsamic vinegar. And we will drizzle a little bit of that. All right, take a look at this. That's all there is to it. Oh, one more thing. If you really want to go over the top with this, what are you going to drink with it? How about some Prosecco? Prosecco, bubbles, strawberry ice cream, dark bourbon balsamic vinegar, walnuts, fresh strawberries, basil, and strawberry basil olive oil. Enjoy.